So I stand but two hands like that, like whole body movement for that, and like a mop. Probably nowadays people they don't have any experience of the mopping stuff. You need help? In case the big bristle, the center of the big bristle with lacking of ink. Okay, and then you need to do this to avoid dripping. Okay. Need more ink, right? But no dripping. That's probably good enough. Okay, now two hands, because for this long, I can stand still kind of horse riding step. But you know, two hands, I have to concentrate on the tip of the brush. It's different from the one hand.
So only wishing you well. Your joy is my joy, my joy is your joy. Your joy is my joy for sure. This is a song in my heart. Sing along, sing along. This is a song in my heart. Sing along.
And this is the other piece of joy. Actually, also we talked about calligraphy or painting. That